What's up, guys? This is just a quick walkthrough to show you how to add a list cleaner to your automations. Basically, this is going to keep your email deliverability rates up, because if people aren't opening your emails and you just keep sending them, it's going to eventually start landing in spam, and that's going to bring down your deliverability rates for everyone. So you want to set an automation that as soon as someone opts into your list, you can set some conditions that if they're not meeting them, it's going to unsubscribe them from your list. Now, I know we want to build our list, but if we're not getting people to open our emails, they're not helping us on our mailing list. So that's why we want to set this up. You can kind of change the conditions, how long you want to wait to have them take this test to see if they pass it. You can change these conditions here. So what I have it as, if someone comes into my list and after 30 days has never opened an email or visited my sales page, I'm going to remove them from my list. You can kind of check out the different features here and segment them the way you want. That's working for me so far. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to share this automation. So if you have ActiveCampaign, you can just download this right into your account and load this up, change these conditions to what you want, and it's going to start working for you. Make sure you click active here to set it active, so as soon as someone subscribes the next time, they're going to get put into this automation. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, see you in the next video.